Do you love your chompers? How much do you love chompers?
1 million.
1 million? They're your
But
favorite.
I love my family infinity and beyond. Bye.
Today we are going to go try and catch some fish with a net.
Let's go.
We've got it right over there. You ready, Declan? Did you see this on YouTube, Declan?
Yes.
You want to try it now too?
Yes.
We are just going to try it with fish food. Don't put all of it in, just put a little bit in there.
Can you hold it like that? Only like that much?
Sure, toss it in. Maybe a little more.
More?
Where are we going to put it? On a mission. So our thought is we'll put it out there in the kind of the shallow part of the pond. I'll go right in that hole. It's sitting down there. It's pretty muddy water right now, but we'll see. What do you think, Declan?
We're gonna catch a fish.
All right. Now what do you want to do, Declan?
Wait.
Do you want to go try and fish with a pole?
Yes.
Let's go do it. Now we're going to drive over to the dock, go fishing.
Woo!
Hold on, buddy.
Okay. I'll hold on. I believe I can fly.
All right, let's see it, Declan. Let's try it again. There you go.
It won't work. If that fish, if I caught that fish, I'll be amazed.
We're working it out there. The hurricane just came through here in Georgia, so the water's pretty muddy, and anyways, our pond is pretty muddy to begin with.
I just felt something nibble. Oh, oh, seaweed. Oh, seaweed stuck to the ground. Alright, fish like to eat other fish, I think.
Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in.
What the duck?
Oh, Declan. So close. We are fishing with this little fake bait right here, but there are tons of fish out there eating the food. Declan, you keep throwing in more food for them, right?
Yeah, and I keep feeling them tugging on this, but I never catch them.
Well, do you want to feed them some more? Feeding them probably isn't helping us catch fish, but it certainly is fun.
Have this.
Toss them over.
Rainbow.
Oh, there's something came up. Oh, he took that one.
That was so cool. What if we catch all the fish that was in the pond?
Whew.
In our trap?
We're gonna go check our fish trap. You wanna come down and look?
How?
Walk right down here.
Okay. Jeez, that's good.
Oh,
This side?
that's good enough. Ready?
Yeah. Did you catch anything?
I don't know yet. Nope. We didn't get anything.
Where?
What are we gonna do now? Oh boy. I think that's it for fishing today. We saw a lot of fish today, but we didn't catch anything. Did we, Declan? You almost caught one.
Didn't.
You had one big bite, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't catch anything, so we'll be back. But good to see they're actually fishing the pond. That's exciting. Right? Yes. Go for it.
Okay.